Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today is the 10th of November and I thought I would share with you what I got for my birthday because yesterday I was 39 and I got a few presents, not very many, but they're all perfect and I'm very happy and grateful that I got them, so I thought I would share them with you. This isn't going to be to everybody's taste. And that's fine. If you don't like these kind of videos, feel free to skip it. But there's literally like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 presents. So it's not a massive haul by any stretch of the imagination. But everything is very lovingly thought about, which is why it means so much to me. And I wanted to share it with you. So, yeah, we're just going to jump in. The first thing I got is some Fenty because what would any birthday of mine be without some kind of Fenty? And I needed this. This is from my in-laws. They asked what I wanted for my birthday and I said, this please, because mine is like, there's barely anything left in it because I use it every single day. It's the cleanser. And I just love it. So I'm very happy to have this. My glasses are so dirty. I can like barely see anything, but we're just going to power through. Next up we'll do Ben and the kids. So they chose me this beanie. Well, I chose this beanie if I'm honest. We went to Wells a few weeks ago and there was a little shop. I can't remember what it was called, but I'll put it on the screen. And I just saw this and I just thought it was like the cutest beanie ever. So that is what they got me. And then the other thing they got me is something that I also chose. Well, Ben suggested it and then he pointed me in the direction of the website, which I had looked at many times before, and asked me to choose what one I wanted. And it is a bag. Now this bag is made by one of my friends, Katri. She is so fucking talented. It's unreal. Like, it's a bum bag, but you can wear it like a crossbody bag, which is how I'll wear it. And it's got a little zip at the front, and then it's got her logo in the middle. She does them like amazing ones. She does them like all recycled materials with denim and stuff. She does ones with inner tubes, which are incredible. But I couldn't resist the leopard print. And then you've got a really big pocket here. And then you've got another one at the back. Just here. So yeah, and it's adjustable. And I just absolutely love it. It's full of pennies because we went to the beach yesterday. Yeah, this is her logo, and this is her website. I will link it down below, but yeah, she's one of my friends. She's amazing, and our kids play together and she's just all round awesome. Yeah, it's all cruelty free, individually handcrafted, and she's just amazing. Like for Christmas presents, seriously, go get involved. So that is what Ben and the kids got me. Ben also bought me Wagamama's takeaway last night, because the kids don't like Wagamama's, but pork gyoza and edamame with salt and chili is just like my favourite meal ever. And it's really low calorie as well, which is amazing, but I wouldn't care if it wasn't. But it is, so it makes me feel really good. I have a takeaway and then I still feel really good afterwards. And he bought me 2 lots of the gyoza and some edamame with chili and garlic and salt, and it was just absolute heaven. I just sat and ate it last night in my happy little bubble of gyoza. I was very sad when it ended. He looked at me and I was like, and he was like, are you sad because it's gone? And I was like, yeah. That's how you know when you've had a good meal. And then the next prezzies are from my mama. So she got me 2 cookery books. I am obsessed with the Pioneer Woman. Obsessed. I've watched her for years. I have dreams of going to her ranch one day and going to the Mercantile and just visit, and I just absolutely love her so much. And this is her first book, I think. And it's Recipes from an Accidental Country Girl, and she's like, you can see she's like super young here. And yeah, her kids are like really little on the back, and they're like, some of them are like now married. Me and the girls watch it, and it's just, I just absolutely love it. I used to watch it with my nan and I just love her programs, so I was very excited to have that. And then she got me another one from her, which is her newer one. She's done loads, but this is one of her newer ones. And I'm just really excited to go through it. Like I just love her so much. Oh, queso fundido. Oh, get in my fucking face. What are you? Cheese in a skillet with peppers and sausage. Like, get in my face. I love her so much. So yeah, she got me some of her measuring cups because it's all in America, so you can't really get it over here. So I don't know how she got these, but she did. So I'm very, very happy for those. She also got me this book, which is called The Element Encyclopedia of 5,000 Spells. This is like the biggest book I think I've ever owned. But it's got how to, like, dispersing evil incense, bean banishing spell, 9 flowers bath, cleansing spell, death spells are not hexes, a burial protection spell, financial dreams, hot stone diagnosis spells. Literally, I'm very excited. This is going to be like my nighttime reading. And again, I know this isn't for everyone, but she knows this kind of stuff makes me really happy. So I love it so much. We went to see her yesterday. We went to Hunstanton. We went to the beach for the day, and it was lovely. And she gave me those, and then she said, "Oh, I've had something delivered to your house. Let me know when you get home." So we got home, and there was a huge box on my doorstep. I opened it, and it was this. Ben just looked at me like I was insane for bringing this upstairs. It's a slow cooker, which is amazing because mine broke a while ago, and she knew I wanted one, and I'd been looking for one on Facebook and I couldn't find one, so she bought me one. And she thought it was so funny because she got me this card. If I can find a picture of it. I did take a picture of it, I think. She got me a card that says, "1 minute you're young and cool, and the next minute you're getting overexcited about air fryers and slow cookers." And it's literally me, like, because she knows I just love cooking so much. So I'm very, very excited to try this. I'm going to go downstairs in a minute and start cooking something, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do as my first one. I might look for a Pioneer Woman crock pot, because that's what they call them, don't they, in America, crock pots. I might look for a Pioneer Woman crock pot recipe and just say fuck it to the meal plan this week and cook that, because I'm very, very excited. But yeah, that was my little birthday haul. I'm very, very grateful for it all. I think it's all awesome, and I cannot wait to just sit, have a cup of tea, and just read the recipe books. Does anyone else do that? I love reading recipe books, because there's always little book. Very rarely do you get a recipe book that is just like bang, 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 bang recipe. There's normally like little chapters of like things to read about the author and stuff. Having looked at this, it looks like it's got like the whole intro and stuff in it about where they live and who's on it, and they've got like her and her husband, what she uses to blog, her favourite kind of cookery things, her ranches, yeah, and then it's just got like all barbecue jalapeno poppers. Yeah, but there's lots of like little bits to read, and I just love that. Like, reading cookery books along with cooking is my happy place. So yeah, that's it basically. And I've decided, I don't know if this is there's going to be another intro video to it, but I'm going to do a vlog every single day until I'm 40, because I'm 40 in less than a year. Obviously because I was 39 yesterday, and I'm 40 in a year. So I'm going to do a vlog, even if it's just a small one, every single day until I'm 40, and hopefully I'll be able to capture some really awesome memories and stuff for me and the kids to look back on in years to come, and hopefully you'll like watching them as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'm so close to 10k. Please do subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. It would mean the world to me. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I love you, bye.